everyone. Actually today doing unboxing of the Dolphin E10 made by Maytronics. It's actually a pool vacuum, to be exact. So I'm actually gonna vacuum the pool with it, clean it that way. It does it automatically, so I'm trying to see what the fuss is all about and if it's worth my money. To be honest with you, so to make a long story short, let's just get into it. All right, thanks. So practically, I already opened the top of the box, and it comes with instructions, which are necessary. And let's see what else. Get rid of that. Here's the vacuum in itself. And let's take this out. I'm doing this with one hand, so be careful. Be patient with me here. So I actually got it out the box. Put it over here for now. I'm getting the rest of the stuff out the box. That's the control panel with the power button and the cord. And I'm about to unwrap this thing to get it going here. Oh, that was easy. Ooh, that was very easy. Alright, cool. Alright, so it's empty. Alright, so here's the beast in question. So now I have to figure out how to get the filters and all of that stuff squared away in the inside of it. And here's the little box that filters all the impurities out of the pool. Alright, put that one back in. And I think you close it, so I think it's ready to run. Let's see what happens when I plug it. And run this thing across the pool. Practically. So I'm gonna go get the outlet and bring it out here and plug into it. So I'm actually trying to unwrap this, but I don't want to mess anything up, so I'm not using any scissors or nothing because I don't want to cut anything. But this is pretty hard to do with especially my left hand. I'm not left-handed at all. Alright, got it off. Booyah. So now that that's done, we're going to take this piece of the plug and plug it into the power outlet. And that's going to be right here. tightening that up because I don't want no surprises. And let's go. Put it in the pool. So as of right now, that's the E10. And we're gonna pick it up and put it in the water. My filter. I'm gonna take this and bring it up here with me while this thing is submerging. The cleaner is already submerged, as you can see, under the water. And I'm gonna turn it on. Plug it in. And see. So now I believe it is on. It should be running. And as you can see here, it is running all across the bottom of the pool and doing what it's supposed to do now. Picking up leaves and debris all at the bottom of the pool. Nice job. Well, looks like money well spent. It's doing its job. just like that. It's cleaning up the bottom. Yeah. Oh wow, look at that.